my channel! Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial and I'm going to be showing you two looks. Chinese New Year in the day and then Valentine's at night. As you know, this year's Valentine's Day falls on the third day of the Chinese Lunar New Year, and so that's what inspired this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So since this is a day to night look, I prefer using foundation because it will have a longer staying power. I'm just going to blend this out. Don't forget the neck. And after you're done with the foundation, you can follow up with concealer to cover any dark circles or blemishes. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and set everything with powder. And moving on, I'm going to add back some color to my face with some bronzer. You want to be careful with not going overboard with the bronzer for a more natural look. Try to be more light-handed when you're brushing it on your skin. Not forgetting the nose. And of course finishing the base with a bit of blush. Okay, so now we're done with the base. We're going to move on to focus on the eyes, which is what we're going to change up from day to night as well. So for the daytime Chinese New Year, meet your relatives, I'm going for a more pink makeup look. I find that pink is also a more youthful color, which I think most relatives will also appreciate. So for the first look, I will be using this palette. This is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. And I'm just going to start with this dark mauve pink color Feels. And I'm just going to spread that all over my eyelids. And I'm going to add a lighter pink, a peachy pink, to the lid. This color Juicy right over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and focus that in the middle. I feel like this really brightens up the eye. Now I'm going to line the bottom eyelashes with the same color Feels. And because there's gold in my dress, I'm just going to go ahead and top off the lid with some gold glitter. Switching over to the Tartelette Toasted palette, this shade called Candle. I'm using a brush because I don't want the glitter look to be too intense, so it looks a little bit more natural as well. You just want to pop this on in the middle of the eyelid. And I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with this shade called Candle. It's a dark brown shade. And I feel like using eyeshadow as an eyeliner instead of eyeliner itself will help to really soften the look as well. So what I like to do is just take like a flat brush like this. I'm kind of going to just draw a line that's straight out from the center of the eyelid, like that. And the final step is to just add on your mascara. And to finish off, I'm going to go for a pinky nude lip. I'm using this one by 3C in Near and Dear. And of course, topping it with some gloss. So that's the look for Chinese New Year. What do you guys think? I'm gonna remove the clip now. So now moving on to the Valentine's Day night look. We want to make this look a little bit darker and smoky, a little bit more sexy. So for this look, I'm going to play with the darker tones, like this red shade here called Cozy. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners of the eyes and blend that out. You can see the difference already. I'm going to add that same shade into the inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and line the under eye with the same red shade as well, focusing mainly just on the outer corners. And now we're gonna play with the red foil shade. It's called Flame. And we're gonna use this as a kind of like eyeliner. And earlier we already did it with the dark eyeshadow, so now it's gonna be a lot easier to just follow that line. Do it slightly above where the eyeshadow was already. And if you wanted the color to be more intense, you can spritz a little water onto the makeup brush. I'm also going to sweep the foil gently from the outer corners to the top of the eyelid. I'm going to do the same on the bottom lash line. And for the Valentine's Day look, I'm going to pile up on the highlighter. We skipped on that just now for the Chinese New Year look, but we're going to want to pop for the nighttime. The inner corner, and if time permits, finish off with an eyeliner, but otherwise this is okay too. Add another coat of mascara, also to the bottom lashes this time, and you're good to go. So this is the look. This video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. And I wish everyone a happy Lunar New Year and Valentine's Day. Let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials like this. I'm not a professional, but this is what I would do for Chinese New Year / Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!